What's up, TeamFullest? So I'm here to give you guys a room update. My bed is finally here. So I got this gray, like a gray, look like black, but it's actually gray. I got this gray bed, sorry. This bed is big. It's really big because like I really don't have space to put my chair there to sit anymore. So now when I'm filming, I have to sit on top of the bed, but that is not bad because it has a really nice height. So this is the bed. It's like a double-sized bed. It's really nice. But what I love about this bed is that I don't know if I can put my camera somewhere and show you guys. It's like you can actually lift this bed up. It has like a storage on there. I don't know. Put my camera here. Hopefully you all can see more. I'm filming this with my mobile phone, so if the quality is not good enough, please excuse more, please. So this is what I'm talking about. It's like you have this rope that is eating under it here, and you can actually like lift the bed up like this. And here, this is what I really wanted, because there you can have like all your storage, like my hair, some shoes that I haven't wear, like a lot of stuff. You just put like, it's like a big stuff, like really big. Hopefully y'all can see it's like really big storage on there, like really big. I haven't even put a lot of stuff in here, but this is what I love about this bed. So this is really what I wanted, because I wanted something to keep some stuff. So yeah, this is one thing I love, and it's very easy to put down and to lift up. It's not that like super heavy, which I really love. So yeah, this is the bed. And I also put back this clothing rack. This is where I hang like my jackets and all that kind of thing. Sometimes I do put, when I buy new shoes, I put them here. This side I didn't put any a nightstand. So what I did is I put this thing here. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little bit dark in this room right now. I put this thing here so that you can put like a bottle of water, which I always like to drink water at night. You can put your phone, charger, and any other thing else you can put in this corner. And it's very nice, you know. It's very nice. And this is very nice, like when you buy new clothes or you just come home, you can take your jacket and put it in here, hang it there for fresh air. So this is the bed. The bed is really nice. I really love it. And my curtains, I changed the curtain thing. I put this simple white one. If I see something else in the future that I really like, I might change it, but for now I just love how simple and nice it is. So I got this nightstand here, which I have some of my crazy stuff in here, and this side is just normal random stuff, just the way I show you guys. Makeup sets, ring lights, softbox. The extra softbox that I had is already underneath the bed, because I have like 3 softbox. The one is underneath the bed because I don't use it, so this 2 is enough, and plus the ring light. So this is the set. This is how everything look. The back there is just the same. There is where I hang my towels, because I used to hang my jacket there because I took off the clothing rag, but now I hang my jacket there, and everything is just the same. And I got this big gigantic mirror closet. You guys can see me, and this mirror also makes the rooms really big, makes the room looks big, because you can definitely see yourself when you on the bed or when you just wake up in the morning. And this is really nice. So yeah, this is just a quick update. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And then yeah, I was talking about, I told you guys I got a gift card from my family for the Christmas. I got 3 gift cards, and so me and a friend of mine, we agree she's going to take 2 of the gift card, and she's going to give me the money that is in the gift card. So I'll use the money and buy one of this. So next week she's coming over to pick up the gift card, or we're both of us are going to the city together. So because she wants to buy some perfume. She called me, she was like, oh, I saw your perfume video and I want to buy perfume. I was like, oh, I have a gift card from the Dukla, so you can use the gift card and just give me the money cash, so I can use the money and buy one of these ones. So I will have 3, because I really need like 2 more, so that I need the space to full. So I need like 2 more so that the space here will full. So I'm gonna get one very soon. I'm really happy about that she can exchange with me. But for the rest, everything is just, I'm done with this room. Maybe in the future I'll paint this heater where the whites, the paint is white, but for now I'm not in a hurry. I just love how everything is set. Everything is looking beautiful. I really like it. Yeah, that's it. I got some new bed, because this one is old. Like, this one is old. I got some new ones. I pick up like some 5 new, we call it in Holland dekbed overtrek. I picked 5 new ones which are coming very soon. Maybe today, no, tomorrow or after the new year. So when they come, I'll get like I pick some whites from, because I just love everything to be white. So I picked some white one. So I can't wait to like put it on the bed to see how it looks. But for now, it's pretty looking good. It looks really nice. The bed is here. The bed is really beautiful. You have extra storage underneath the bed, and everything is full, like everything is taken, and I really love it. I love this stuff here. It's really nice. You can hang clothes, you can put your shoes. I'm trying to see if I can get a carpet here. Tell me, what do you guys think? Do you guys think I should put a carpet here or not? Let me know in the comment box, please. I want to know what you guys think. I was thinking of getting a carpet. I saw this really nice white carpet, but then I thought of it, white carpets, me, mother of 3 children, is it going to work? I thought, you know what, let me just give it a try, but I'm not really sure. I'm just confused. Even in the living room, I'm still decorating. I'm not yet done with the renovation, but I'm still like confused of getting carpet in the living room. Like everything for the living room I need is already here. It's just for me to like paint the living room and get everything set, because the window curtain is here. The salon towel, I already paid for it, is on its way coming. So, but I didn't bought the carpets for the living room, and I also didn't bought the carpets for my bedroom because I wasn't sure about the carpets. But tell me, what do you guys? I was thinking, because I have this crust, this bruise, I don't know how to call it, like this thing here with my daughter. She made it. She take one of her toy and she do kruk kruk, and now I have this. So I was thinking about maybe getting carpets or white carpet to cover that space, like to just put like one nice carpet here, but I'm not too sure. But tell me, what do you guys think? This is everything. This is all my beauty set. I've shown you guys everything. Very soon I'm going to do a skincare routine, so please guys stay tuned for that video. And this is how everything is looking, like really white. I know the quality is not really super nice with this phone, but very soon I'm going to get that. My camera is going to be here. I bought a new camera which is supposed to be here by now, but because of the holiday and everything, so hopefully I'll get it by the second or the 3rd week of January 2020. It will be here. When it comes, I'll definitely come and give you guys an unboxing and tell you guys about it. I'm really excited for this camera, so I can't wait. But for now, I'm just filming with my mobile phone, so I hope you all don't mind. The quality is not as good as when you use a camera, but soon I'll get a new camera and I'll start filming again some beauty videos, because that's the reason why I've not been filming beauty videos, because yeah, you know, don't have a camera for now. The kids break my camera, so I got a new one which is on its way coming. So yeah, but this is how everything is looking. Give you guys some 360 closet. You guys have already seen. If you guys want to do like a closet tour, then maybe leave a comment in the comment box, because I don't really have a lot in my closet to show you guys. I just have like a day-to-day normal clothes. So yeah, this is it. 360 once more again. You guys have seen that, and then we go all the way here, the back of the door. Still got my day-to-day girls things there, and here in this corner, like there's nothing here. It's just a free space for you to enter. So this is it. One more, the entrance, makeup stuff, window, bed, and then we go back so you guys see me here. Just a quick update. I hope you all like this video. Please again, vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. En vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal, op mijn Facebook pagina. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Laat mij weten in de commentbox. Wat vinden jullie van deze video? En sorry voor de kwaliteit, want ik film op mijn Samsung Galaxy 9 Plus of 8 Plus. Ik weet niet meer. Ik denk 8 Plus. Dus is wel mooie telefoon, maar de kwaliteit is nooit zo, is niet echt zo goed als een camera zelf. Maar ik hoop dat jullie deze video leuk vindt. Laat me weten wat jullie van deze video vindt. En this your girl Amy. Vergeet niet te abonneren, nog een keer. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. This your girl Amy. Doeg. Bye.